Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we will clear missing values. Here statement is given, base year prices are given, current year base year price and quantity is given, current year price and quantity is given, and we have to calculate this missing value. Here statement is written, and according to this statement, this is P0 because base year price, Q0 base year quantity, current year price will be considered as P1 and Q1. Let us calculate further calculations. Number 1 P0 Q0, number 2 P1 Q1, number 3 P1 Q0, number 4 P0 Q1. So these are the four calculations. Number 1 P0 Q0, 1 multiplied by 10 is equal to 10, then 5 P1 Q0, 10, 2x, then P1 Q0, P1 Q0 20, 5x, and last one is P0 Q1, which is 5 and 2. So summation P0 Q0 is equal to sigma P1 Q1 is equal to sigma P1 Q0 is equal to, or sigma P0 Q1 is equal to. The values will be here 15, here 10 plus 2x, next 20 plus 5x, and next value is equal to 7. And two formulas are given. Number 1, Lespier's method. According to Lespier's method, P01 is equal to sigma P1 divided by sigma P0. Base year quantity will be multiplied by it and whole multiplied by 100. And similarly, number 2, Poiseuille's method is equal to P01 is equal to sigma P1 by sigma P0. Here current year quantity will be multiplied by it and whole multiplied by 100. So let us put the value in this. Both the formulae we get P01 is equal to sigma P1 Q0, 20 plus 5x divided by 15 multiplied by 100, or second P01 is equal to sigma P1 Q1, which is 10 plus 2x divided by sigma P0 Q1, which is 7 multiplied by 100. So these are the value which we have put in Lespier's and Poiseuille's method. These are the values. Now next statement is given. If the ratio between Lespier's and Poiseuille's index number is 28 proportionate to 27. So Lespier's and Poiseuille's ratio is equal to, the formula of Lespier's method is 20 plus 5x divided by 15 multiplied by 100 whole divided by Poiseuille's method 10 plus 2x divided by 7 multiplied by 100. Here 100 will be cut by 100, or the values will be, by putting the value of Lespier's and Poiseuille's ratio is given 28 divided by 27, or is equal to 20 plus 5x divided by 15 और ये मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, दिस वैल्यू विल बी अपर साइड 7 विल बी हेयर एंड डिनोमिनेटर विल बी 10 प्लस 2x और 28 divided by 27 is equal to 7 divided by 15 multiplied by 20 plus 5x divided by 10 plus 2x. So here cross multiply will be there, or 28 multiplied by 15 divided by 27 will be multiplied by 7 is equal to 20 plus 5x divided by 10 plus 2x, or here this will be 7 4s are, or 3 5s are 15, or 3 9s are 27. So the calculations will be 20 divided by 9 is equal to 20 plus 5x divided by 10 plus 2x, or 20 multiplied by 10 plus 2x is equal to 9 multiplied by 20 plus 5x. Further, for further calculations, 200 plus 40x is equal to 180 plus 45x, or 200 minus 180 is equal to 45x minus 40x, or 20 is equal to 5x, 4 is equal to x, or the value of x will be 4. We have find out the value of x, which is 4 will be the value of x. This is the answer. So that's all regarding this numerical. So do subscribe my channel to see more such a type of technical or typical numericals related to index number. Thank you.